To replace a Carolina link in your D2L, the instructions in VTAC tell you sort of how to do this, but instead of adding it as an existing activity, so for example here, not SoftChalk, Carolina, we don't want to add it directly to here because we want it to be, we don't want two links. We don't want a link for the lab and a link for their assignment. We like to have it all together. So we could do it this way, but that's going to create an assignment or a link here plus an assignment. So what I've done instead is in the assignment, which is like the D2L Dropbox, we just have the link within that, within one of the steps. So if we want to replace that, we can click on here and then we can do the link. I guess we just do this and we can go to the edit and insert quick link. And then it's going to give us a menu. We don't want this one. We can just go directly to, there it is, Carolina Distance Learning. Now this has to be activated in your course because it's not for everybody, so you can email VTAC to do that. And so then it'll bring you here, and then you just choose your course, and you're going to choose whatever lab it is. So these are the labs we have, and then the dry labs are in here. It's a little bit annoying because it's not searchable, but we have here a blood typing virtual lab or blood typing dry lab. We're doing the virtual lab, so you can select that and then you create the assignment. You can just title it. I tend to do it with like labeling it virtual lab, blood typing lab, something like that. But we're going to not add it to the grade book because we want to grade it within D2L assignment, using the rubric and stuff within the D2L Dropbox. And then you just create that, and essentially it would replace the link that you have here. I like to always click on it and then do my edit and make sure it's opening in a new window, so that way it's not getting the student out of this D2L thing. It just opens it up separately. Or sometimes if you have a current window, it opens up like in the D2L window in here, and it can be weird because it's too small. So do make sure it has a new window and apply that. And then if you update that, now it should have that different link within this assignment. And of course, this is the Dropbox assignment. So that's how you replace it.